In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to create notices for your company and workers. Let's navigate to Notices. Click on Create. On this page, we will make our notice. The message can be edited in a large variety depending on your needs. Let me make a quick notice. At the bottom of the screen, we have a preview of the notice that will be sent out. We can add an attachment if needed. When done, click Save. The notice will be sent out immediately to all users who are a part of your company. From here, we can edit the notice we made. On this button, we can delete our notice. On the top-hand side of the screen, we have an additional tab, Global Announcements. On this page, we send out our system notices. For example, patch notes for new features or bug fixes. Thank you very much for watching this quick tutorial. If you have any suggestions, let us know.